We are proud to be a part of Modern Aging Project because we are pretty sure that life is not finished at any age. It doesn't matter how old we are, there are a lot of things to do or to try anyway. That's the main reason we want to create an elderly paradise with the best quality service and, what's most important in our opinion, the community feeling with socializing and life fulfillment. There are a lot of people who live lonely because of globalization process or due to other reasons. We are going to be first to build Elderly Community Center as a substitute for Elderly Care Center. We focus on lonely aging people and invite them to the community. Our solution? Community with a lot of possibilities. For example, to learn new things, to have activity groups, to take rest, to have the best quality food, and of course, the best qualified medical staff and equipment. We are based on nature-friendly solutions according to the heating of the building, food, and all other things. The place to realize that idea is Lithuania. That country has so much in common with Sweden: climate, the temperature of the weather, landscape. Sweden and Lithuania are neighbor countries, and the flight from one country to another takes less time than the trip between different cities in Sweden. But the biggest bonuses in Lithuania are these: we can offer products and services with a very high quality, but a few times cheaper than in Sweden. These reasons motivate us to realize our plan. But before the realization, we need to get deeper knowledge about modern aging and about the needs of our customers. That's why we want to be part of this project. We are proud to present that idea, and we would be happy to have an opportunity to answer all your questions and to discuss more. Thank you very much for your attention.